Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the button mushroom location in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The button mushroom is one of the mushrooms in Heartopia, and they can be found at the flower field. Okay, you just need to go to the flower field and then you will see the button mushrooms around here. Okay, this is the button mushroom and I'm going to collect the mushroom. All right, this button mushroom is not rare like the black truffle or the matsutake mushrooms, and they can spawn quickly. I mean, after the cooldown time, they can spawn here very quick. So just go to the flower field to collect the button mushrooms. And I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this is the flower field location. Just go there and collect the button mushrooms. Okay guys, and that's about the button mushroom location in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.